Once I realized that people are out for their own best interest, I started to have to move differently. I always had this mentality of we, right? The we mentality. Us, togetherness, unity. But our society is very individualistic. It's the culture of who we are, and having to adapt and adjust in these spaces can be difficult. But it's necessary for your own survival to be mindful of what you need and not look at things in a way that include others who may not have your best interest at heart. And honestly, you can't really blame them because they're doing what they need to do for their own survival. So, either you get on board and adopt that philosophy, or you remain in a state of we, us, unity, and find yourself alone.